Does your vagina make a fat sound during lovemaking or sex and you feel so ashamed of yourself? Then come closer. This video is for you. As a matter of fact, there is nothing to be ashamed of. It is very normal, it is common, it is harmless, it is odorless. In fact, it has a medical name called quiff or vaginal flatulence. What causes quiff? During lovemaking, when there is a deep trust, air is trapped in the vagina. So in the process of the air trying to find a way of escape, that is when you hear that sound. So there is nothing to worry about. If this video was helpful to you, please share with somebody and follow me for more real, unfiltered health education. My name is Nurse IH. I'll see you in my next one. Remember, your health, your wealth.